Hey guys, welcome to this course. Now if you are new to Grasshopper, you would first want to know how to start it or how to run it or even how to download it. So for the Rhino 5 users, for those of you who are using Rhino 5, you need to know that you have to download Grasshopper separately and then you have to start it or run it. But if you are using Rhino 6, then you will already have Grasshopper installed inside of Rhino 6. Now if you are using Rhino 5, you can just go to grasshopper3d.com like I am on this particular website right now, and you can just simply go on downloads and you can click on latest Grasshopper for Rhino 5 Windows only. You can click on any of these links and download Grasshopper for your current Rhino version. But in this course, we are going to be dealing with Rhino 6 and Grasshopper for Rhino 6. So Rhino 6 already includes Grasshopper. So if I open up Rhino 6 right here, and if I go to the standard tab, and under the standard tab you see I already have a small Grasshopper icon which says launch Grasshopper. So if you are using Rhino 5, you will have to install and run Grasshopper from this particular website, which is grasshopper3d.com. and if you are using Rhino 6, then you don't have to worry about downloading and installing Grasshopper. You can just find it under the standard tab right over here. Now there are two ways of running Grasshopper. So you can either type Grasshopper in the command line this particular way and just press enter, and your Grasshopper will start up after loading. So I have already preloaded the Grasshopper window, and after it opens up it will look something like this. And if I close it up, you can also click on this particular icon right here and launch your Grasshopper. Now before we go any further, you also need to know that in order to understand the logic and functioning of this particular application, then you should have a basic working knowledge of Rhinoceros 3D. Now if you are confused or if you don't know where to learn Rhino 3D, you can always go to acedesigninstitute.com and you can scroll down and find the course right here. So in the next video, let's understand how to start working with Grasshopper.